Hello and welcome to the Real Deal EV YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over replacing the Tesla Model S panoramic roof seals. There's a couple different seals, but the most common one is the one that we're going to be replacing today. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your trunk. Next you're going to grab onto the back of the applique and you're going to give it a tug up. You can walk it forward and it's going to release 5 clips. So now that you have your applique off, you can get a better idea of what the square is that I was talking about on the website that makes it so you can remove this particular applique. It's that square right there. At this point you're going to start removing the seal, and as you can see, if it's intact it'll come out fairly easily. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to grab one of your new seals from Real Deal EV. You won't get this whole box. You'll just get a single one or two, however many you order. Unless you want to order the whole box, that's fine. So next you're going to work on, as we've already gone over, you're going to pull the seal out. In this I'm trying to show the difference between the left and the right hand side seals. The difference is so minute that we have found that it doesn't matter. There's basically a small rubber stop that was attached to the left hand side and the right hand side. Other than that, they're basically identical. As you can see here, the nub is on the bottom right. The top one didn't have it. So from this point, you're going to start working it in to the groove. And it's basically similar to like a Christmas tree style, where it has a groove, and then on the gasket itself is almost like a arrow. Well, you want that arrow to go inside of the groove, so that way the back of the arrow essentially locks it in place. We tried a couple different ways to do this. The easiest one that we found after messing with it for quite some time was to use a roller. By applying our panoramic roof seal lubricant to the gasket itself, this is that Kluber lubricant. I'll put a link in the description. And basically taking the heavy duty roller and making sure that the seal is lined up, and then using the roller itself to actually press the seal down into its groove. We found that one side would go in and the other side wouldn't, so you kind of had to rotate back and forth. But by applying the lubricant, it helped it slide into place, and it also helps protect the actual gasket itself from UV and all the other environmental factors. A nice solid firm push helped to fully seat the gasket. One of the things that we discovered that did not work was to try to slide the groove in one end and then pull it, so that way you basically pulled it along the channel. As you can see here, we had a slight rip when we did that. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. There's not much visible difference between a left-hand side or a right-hand side. The only thing that we saw was it's stuck up a little bit, but this is due to the seal ripping. When it's not ripped, it doesn't stick up at all. So thank you for watching RealDealEV.com's YouTube channel. Click the link below to place your order for a new panoramic roof seal.